So today's like January, I think 14th or 13th, and Ruben decided to go work on the car today because we're not hitting the mountain up, but it's cold. I thought the right way to start the vlog is to complain about the misery and coldness of this weather. As you guys can tell behind me, it is currently snowing, and the garage is not heated, but we got one of these guys. Alright, so the day has come to an end. I just finished up sanding the last fender, and Ruben's finishing up sanding the hood. So Ruben finished the bodywork today on the hood and fenders. Perfected it. And door. Oh, and driver's side door. So all we have left is passenger door, quarter panels, trunk, and I think there's like 2 or 3 dents on the roof. Now, what's left on bodywork is, like I said, that door, the quarter panels, the trunk. We plan to get rid of these holes right here because we're going to go wingless, and also delete the third brake light. That way the rear end looks super smooth. So to prevent me getting rear-ended again, we're most likely going to throw in an LED strip right here. That way when I press on the brakes, the whole interior just goes red. Sorry for not vlogging too much. Ruben's doing body work and I was just sanding down the fenders. So I tried to set up a few time lapses, but time lapses kind of get repetitive, so I probably won't add in a lot of those. But yeah, the whole front end is done. We're ready for day 2. This hood was just sitting outside after Ruben painted it. It's only like 5:30 right now, and she is iced.
Crazy.
Do a breather test for us.
Alright, fellas. Second primer day that we did. Primer laid on smooth. We ordered another gallon because we ran out because we've been kind of using it for random crap. The bodywork turned out nice on the fender. I'm thankful that these lines came out nice. I was kind of fighting them because they'd feel right, they'd look right, but then it's like, that was just in the bodywork stage. But when we'd put vinyl over them, I'd catch like little imperfections. So they turned out nice for being fairly just skim coated. The hood turned out great too, considering this is where the biggest damage was, and then kind of light skim coat on the front. Hopefully this stuff doesn't shrink too much. I'm not gonna sand it for a few weeks. But yeah, I'm hoping that it shrinks in that time period. We're getting rid of the S14. The one outside. This guy. These are the remainings of Mark's S14. The previous chassis, the auto tranny, and just the front end. In the next episode, we're going to be doing bodywork to the trunk. So welding up the trunk holes in third brake light, and then doing the bodywork on the passenger door, and then primering the doors in the trunk. And then I'll do the chassis after that. And then after everything is primered up, which will hopefully be done within the next 3 episodes. Hopefully the bodywork, no, next 4 episodes. Hopefully the chassis will all be primered up and the primer will be curing while I button up some more stuff on the engine and interior. And then after that, we'll have to take it to the booth. I'm hoping I can take it to the booth before February. That's the plan, so I can get it out of here. But we will see you in the next one. Aha.